my channel. So today I have another synthetic wig review for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by HairSoFly. Shout out to them for sponsoring another video. So today's wig is going to be another wig from Bobbi Boss. I actually don't know where my card is, but this is Bobbi Boss Allison. I'll probably insert the stock card on the screen somewhere. So this is my second time reviewing this wig. When I first reviewed it, I liked it, and then I was looking back at the footage and I was like, it looks a little bit, like just a little bit wiggy. But disclaimer, I did the curls review like right after it, so my expectations were really high. So that was probably not the best idea because that wig looks like super natural and everything. So I was like, I don't know how I feel about this one. But it's a really nice wig, so I think I'm just gonna try it again. This is what Allison looks like. It's a really nice yaki bob that's about 14 inches long. This is the part and space here. Inside of the cap, it did come with soft lace. You get a comb, 2 combs on each side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps as well. Now Bobbi Boss is known for smaller caps, so I'm just gonna try it on without a wig grip first, just to tell you guys. All right, so you really don't need a wig grip because it is tight, and I just have it on its regular setting. If you got a small head and you're new to wigs, Bobbi Boss is a good line for people with smaller heads. So this is what it looks like just plopped on my head. I haven't done anything to it. Even with like smaller cat wigs, I still wear wig grips because it keeps it from sliding, even if it's small, because sometimes small caps can slide back too. So this is what we're looking like with the length. It has a really nice density. It's not too thin, but it's also not like Bobbi Boss Juba, it's a beautiful wig, but I think it's like a more fall winter bob. So I'm gonna put my wig grip on and then just put some powder in the part and probably add maybe a little bit of baby hair, maybe. So I'm back and I have applied Allison. So as far as shedding goes, I am getting some shedding, a few strands here and there. Well, more than that. I am getting some shedding with this wig, no tangling yet. The cap size I told you guys is on the smaller side, so it is snug. If you are gonna be wearing a bob, make sure your hair is braided flat underneath so you don't get any humps. It seemed like it did come with baby hairs. I was doing a little bit. I have just like a little bit of something at the beginning of the part and space just so it wasn't just straight across. But if you just want like a clean hairline, you can do that as well. I think the texture of this is like a light yaki texture. It feels very nice. It has a natural luster to it as well. And it has some nice movement to it. I think this is a really nice everyday kind of wig. You can obviously wear this wig to work, but I also feel like it's nice enough to, you know, wear on the weekend. My hair is pretty flat underneath. I think I will even go in with a hot tool and make it even more flat at the top just so it looks more natural. But I think overall this is a very nice wig. A nice solid. I did though, like right here, I have this really stiff piece of coarse hair it's like wiry. It doesn't even feel like, it's so weird. It's like super stiff. But I guess that's like a part of the synthetic fibers, but I've been wearing synthetic wigs for years and I've never felt that kind of texture, so that's weird. And something else that happened, I went in the bathroom just to get a better look at the wig, and I saw that it was like puckering or something in the back. So I felt back there and I had a track that was sticking out that I guess came loose, and I had to pull it out. It was about this long. So I guess mine had a defect in mine, because I've seen other people review this wig before. So mine, I guess, had a defect because it had like a loose track in the back, but it's fine now. Like, you probably can't even tell that I pulled like a little bit of a track out. Something else I don't like about the wig, I like that it's how it is in the front, but I don't like how the back kind of does these flip things. Like, I think you would have to have like a super, and I have a long neck, so I can only imagine what would happen if you have like a shorter neck. So I would either flat iron this out a lot more back here so it doesn't do that flip thing, because I think that's just super annoying. It's not like a super big deal, but I do find that to be a little bit annoying. But it's still cute. So overall, I think Allison is a very beautiful everyday wig, and my overall rating for this wig is like I'm gonna say like an 8.5. I think it's very beautiful and just a nice solid option. This is a very beginner friendly kind of wig. So if you are new to wigs, you're trying to look for a nice wig that's not too long and it mimics African American hair, I think this is a good option for you guys. So if you are interested in Allison, you can head over to HairSoFly and pick it up there. I want to thank them for sponsoring another video, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. And make sure your notifications are turned on so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.